The Bolt navigation system empowers surgeons to efficiently and precisely navigate the placement of pedicle screws in any setting, utilizing any implant, anywhere in the world. The system utilizes an iOS device to accurately and reproducibly guide the placement of spine fixation. It does so without the cost, complexity, and radiation associated with legacy navigation technologies. The Bolt system cleverly utilizes gravity as the reference, as opposed to an external frame. As such, the system is built to ensure that the patient and images that are required are properly positioned. Prior to scrubbing, the surgeon uses the Bolt Navigation Unit, or BNU, to acquire 2 images of the levels where fixation is to be placed. These include an axial image from the patient's diagnostic MRI or CT. The system also has sophisticated built-in technology that prevents image capture until the BNU is properly positioned. And a lateral image acquired by a C-arm once the patient is positioned for surgery. No special imaging is needed. All levels to be operated on are captured at this time and labeled accordingly. The Bolt Navigation Unit is then placed in a drape and inserted into the single-use disposable case that can easily attach to any gear shift, tap, or driver. Next, the surgeon uses the touchscreen to plan implant placement, including choosing the entry point and establishing the ideal trajectory of the screw. The sensitive gyroscope of the Bolt Navigation Unit, as well as the high-performance processor, provides exact, real-time, 3-dimensional guidance on achieving the planned trajectory. This information is communicated to the surgeon via an intuitive graphical user interface. Subsequently, the surgeon can choose to plan and navigate the next level or the contralateral side. The Bolt navigation system offers a remarkably accurate navigation solution that is elegantly simple to use and extremely cost-effective. Further, the system's flexibility and simplicity are appreciated by the surgical staff and administration. Find out more at boltnav.com.